I've always been a really healthy person and very active, but my knees were keeping me from doing what I really love doing and enjoy, and I'd never really paid attention to it before. And in the last 2 or 3 years before the surgery, you can't help but pay attention to it.
I couldn't lift my knees at all. I was dragging my feet. To walk on the grass, it was, my goodness, it was a battle.
I was very frustrated that I couldn't walk or drive, and after 4 months, it was pretty shot.
And I hate that phrase, but I heard it over and over again, bone on bone, so that's a reality.
Lots of pain, lots of grinding between the bones, So until I was just like, I gotta do something.
I wanted to sort of become a super expert in one particular field, and nothing really appealed to me until I did hip and knee replacement. And with that, I found my passion.
In Mexico, they say, we're not gonna touch you. So then we found Dr. Goldberg, and he said, yeah, I'll do it.
He's so professional, he's so careful, but he has a different process that he uses.
Once you go in, it's just effortless. It's effortless to have this whole thing done. He has just made such a difference in my life because I know he cares about my knee.
Actually, when Dr. Goldberg took out my hip, he couldn't believe it because the joint was actually black from friction. And 3 hours later, I had a new hip and I was up and walking.
When I sit down with a patient, I'm genuinely listening to that patient. And then I'm going to try to see if I can match my skill set to help them achieve their goals.
I followed the advice of Dr. Goldberg. I've had no pain in my right knee whatsoever. And it's just fantastic, the work that he has done for me.
Now that I've gotten acquainted with Dr. Goldberg, I'm able to do everything that I did before my knees started hurting. Like I work in my yard a lot, plant plants and flowers and walk my dog. I can do anything I want to, really, because there's no pain. It's all gone, which is nice.
Anybody that is considering orthopedic surgery, I will tell you, you will not waste your time traveling from wherever you are to do a consultation with Dr. Goldberg. You don't know what it's like to have somebody give you back freedom. Freedom to ride, freedom to walk, freedom to hang out with your friends.
The process truly, truly works, and it's truly a 360-degree positive experience. I have no pain, and I can do things I've not been able to do in years.
It's totally different, I'm happy with my new life.
Patients coming back saying that they've been delivered and freed from their pain and discomfort and immobility, it never gets old. I've done it thousands, 10,000 times. It's absolutely incredibly gratifying.